What's going on, guys? It's Brandon here today, and got my puppy. My puppy is really wild right now. So yeah, I'm gonna make a video, and I'm gonna try to. Yeah, my puppy is going to attack me right when I step off my bed. Oh my god, do you see this? What do I do? It's ridiculous. I can't. It's gonna kill me. Stop. So, I have my PlayStation 4 box for a field. You shall not get me. Now let's put you down. Come on over. Bring this to the Puppy's chaos. Oh my goodness. Can I get down with this? Oh my goodness. Ow! No, no. Because if I can get it on you, watch this. Watch this. You can see it. Watch this. I just wanted to pet you. Sit. Sit. No, okay. Sit. No, sit. Sit. No, okay. Ow! Ow! Stop it! Ow! 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 This hurts so bad. Ow! 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 She's killing me! Ow! 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 Like, subscribe, share the rest of you enjoy. Bye.